Here we're at InfoComm 2017. It's a fantastic show. It's a great place for us to introduce brand new product, explains in detail what we do, and talk to end users, talk to consultants, talk to dealers, talk to anybody that's doing audiovisual integration.
Coming from the integration side, I know how important it is to have the quick responses and the people that back up the company. And these guys are really great. They respond well, they're forward thinking with the technology, so they're always looking for the next step. They are made in Texas, and since I live in Texas, that's a great thing. If you need products shipped quickly or you need service or anything, they're right here. It's easy to get to, a quick turnaround, things like that. They've got products that fit in a lot of different spaces, house of worship, sports bars, entertainment, different things like that, even the corporate side.
You know, we have a big client in the Northwest, and it's a very large company, and they have one of the largest deployments probably on the West Coast for contemporary research. And anytime there's been any sort of an issue with the product or any support required, contemporaries really come through.
We're all together to network, learn, and educate each other on how to make a better product and a better experience for the AV life that we live in the day-to-day world, such as at work or at play.